Hi guys, this is Dr. Tonya. Now, you've been watching this station, you've been following along, and you know how important it is as a person who is getting radiation treatments for you to protect your skin during radiation. So I'm on a mission to help you find the perfect cream to support your skin as you go through your radiation journey. Now, today I'm reviewing the product Remiverse Radiation Relief Recovery Cream. Now, this is a cream that I found. I was searching online for new products that have hit the market, and I came across this product. So I'm going to review this product today because it says it was specifically formulated to support patients undergoing radiation treatments. So let's open the box and take a look. So I ordered it online. It came in a box like this, sealed. So it is sealed. So we're going to take the seal off and open this. And here is the product. This is a 6-ounce jar of product. So what exactly is Remeverse Radiation Relief Recovery Cream? Again, it's a cream that was specifically formulated to support people going through radiation treatments to prevent the common side effects that we see of redness, irritation, itching, peeling skin. Now, this cream contains no dyes, no fragrances. It is not tested on animals. It does not have any parabens, which are preservatives that are thought to interfere with the body's hormones and could potentially increase the risk for cancer. So we don't want that, of course. And it also has no antioxidants in it, which could affect the way the radiation works. So it has none of those. The ingredients of this product, again, the number one ingredient, of course, is water, but it does contain the active ingredients calendula, which has been clinically tested and proven to reduce the side effects of radiation therapy, including inflammation and redness. And it also has hyaluronic acid, which in combination with some peptides and ceramides have been shown to increase the moisture held within the skin. So that is the way that this product works, with the calendula to promote healing and the hyaluronic acid peptide ceramide combination to retain moisture. Now, how do you use this cream? Let's open it up, take a look. It is sealed. So let's take the seal off. Okay, so now I've gotten the seal off. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is a white cream. It really has no fragrance. It really is fragrance free. So let's test a little bit out. So I'm going to just put a little bit. It's a very light cream. I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger because typically these creams go a long way. And I'm just going to spread it on my hand. And it goes in like completely. There's like no... It goes in really well. It's very moisturizing. I like the way, I love the way it feels actually. No scent. So this would be great for somebody who has a sensitive nose after chemotherapy. But it feels really, really good going on the skin. I really like this. So you're going to apply this to the area that's being treated. You definitely, on the packaging, it just says use as often as needed. But as a radiation patient, you'll want to use this at least twice a day. I generally say 3 times a day. Put it on at least after your treatment, and then again before you go to bed. If you've got an afternoon treatment, you can put it on in the morning. Typically, you won't need to really wash it off, but you want to try not to put it on the skin within 4 hours of your actual treatment time. That way, you know that you don't have a thick buildup on your skin, and you shouldn't. A little bit goes a long way. This jar really should last you for the entire course of your treatment. This should be enough to last you. This should be enough to last you through your entire course of treatment because you really only need a little bit. Now, where can you get this? This can be purchased online, and I purchased this online. This 6-ounce jar was $29, but you can also buy it retail. I did see it advertised from Walmart, so I don't know if you can buy it in the store or if you have to order it from Walmart online, but you can get it from Walmart as well. They did not note any contraindications or safety warnings on the website or on the packaging. So I'm assuming that you can use this over your entire body. So what are the pros for this product? Pros are it has no dyes, no fragrances. It is great for sensitive skin. It has the active ingredient calendula, which has been clinically tested. So I love that. It also has no fragrance. It feels good going on. It is easy to locate. So it is over the counter. You do not need a prescription for this. Cons, there are no cons that honestly I can think of. So would I recommend this? Yes, I like it. I definitely think this is something that you can use during your treatment and again after you finish treatment, as long as there's no broken or open skin. This is something that you can continue to use. So this Remiverse Radiation Relief Recovery Cream, I think, is a great product that you can use during your radiation treatment. So I hope this review was helpful. If so, please like this video, share, subscribe to this channel to get more great information about managing and navigating your cancer journey. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.